In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to message someone on LinkedIn without needing a premium account. You probably know that LinkedIn's messaging feature is typically available only to premium users. But even with a basic account, there are ways to connect. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the classic method, sending connection request. It's simple. Find the person you want to reach out to, send a connection request, and include a personalized message. Once they accept, you can message them. But what if you want to contact someone outside your network? Here's an interesting option. You can message LinkedIn's user with public profile for free. However, these profiles are rare, so this isn't always a reliable choice. Now, here's a great tip, LinkedIn's group. By joining relevant groups, you can message members for free. Even if they aren't connected to you, this can be a goldmine for generating leads. Just find the right group, search for your target, and hit the message button. So there you have it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.